It is a place where experts and curators of NFTs meet the newbies and newcomers to the NFT world. A place where investors can put money into a fund and curators can go about buying and selling NFTs for a profit. This is the homepage where an investor will be able to see all the different funds that are available in the marketplace. Let's go and check out more about this Genesis fund. This also shows the returns and the items that are present in each of the funds. The fund page will display all the NFTs that the fund currently owns. It also allows a user uh, to maybe buy an NFT right out of this page. These are the NFTs this particular fund currently owns. The initial starting price of the token and what the token price is currently. The Matic that is present in the fund manager has access to buy more NFTs. This is the owner's address. As an investor, currently we are an investor and we are looking at this page. We'll be able to only buy tokens, that is by depositing Matic, or sell the tokens back to get Matic out of it. Let us look at how it looks for a fund manager. The fund managers will have more options such as modifying the token's price or buying or selling NFTs. You can buy the NFT by clicking on add button and giving the link of an OpenSea. This is currently simulated, but in our future version, we'll have a wallet management service through which you can actually buy and sell from OpenSea or other marketplaces. Suppose the fund manager wants to buy this particular token, he can open this, take the link and provide it over here. Through the OpenSea API, we can fetch all the required details of the NFT and make the buy happen for the fund. You can see the NFT has been bought and the token price Matic present in the fund has decreased. The same way the fund manager can even sell an NFT and this will list it in OpenSea market. Depending on the profit or loss he has made, the token price will increase or decrease respectively. This concept brings in the added security that only the marketplaces that has been whitelisted by our application is where the funds can go to. There's no way the fund manager can take the money and run away tomorrow. If you want to create a fund, you can always go to create button. Enter the required details and create the fund. We haven't implemented a whitelisting feature, but we will be looking at the different metrics of a fund manager, such as how long he has been into the NFT market and how he has done the how profitable he has been so far and selecting the right NFTs. Along with this, we have a discover NFT feature where people can come and vote on the different NFTs that are trending at the moment. Currently, depending on our popular vote, A Beast Gang has been top. You can enter your Twitter handle and the newer collections that are coming up over here, and it'll show up right over here. The backend for this is handled by Morales. The fund also has a DAO concept. Suppose a fund manager is not managing it, a DAO can go about managing it. You can see the different votes that are currently present. You can create a vote to suppose you want to you want the fund to buy a hay base. You can start a vote. A voting contract can be created, and depending on the number of tokens you have there for that particular fund, you'll be able to vote for it, whether to go for the motion or not. You can see the details of a motion. Say, suppose you can see the number of votes that have been casted. These are directly proportional to the number of tokens people have and how many they have voted. For example, over here for this particular fund, I own 1,000 tokens and I have voted for it. Thank you.